What if I told you that the foods you eat could be the key to supercharging your immune system? With cold and flu season just around the corner, it's more important than ever to fuel your body with the right nutrients to keep you feeling your best. The good news is that nature has provided us with powerful foods packed with essential vitamins that can help strengthen our defenses against illness. In today's video, we'll explore 10 incredible immune-boosting foods that are rich in vitamins and nutrients to help you stay healthy all year round. So, if you're ready to give your body the support it needs, keep watching. Let's dive right in and discover the top foods that will strengthen your immune system. First up, we have citrus fruits. Think oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes. These fruits are packed with vitamin C, one of the most well-known immune-boosting nutrients. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. An easy way to add citrus fruits to your meals is by enjoying a fresh orange for breakfast, squeezing lemon juice into your water, or adding grapefruit slices to a refreshing salad. Next, we have red bell peppers. These vibrant, crunchy veggies are more than just a colorful addition to your plate. Red bell peppers are actually one of the richest sources of vitamin C, containing even more of this immune-boosting nutrient than citrus fruits. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It also supports healthy skin by promoting collagen production, acting as a natural barrier against harmful pathogens. Adding red bell peppers to your diet is easy. Chop them up for a fresh salad, toss them into a stir fry, or enjoy them raw with hummus for a crunchy and nutritious snack. Coming in at number 3 is garlic. This powerful ingredient has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for boosting immunity. Its secret weapon? Allicin, a compound that's released when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping your body fight infections and reduce inflammation. Studies suggest that garlic can even help shorten the duration of colds and flu. The best way to add garlic to your diet is by using it fresh. Crush or chop it and let it sit for a few minutes before adding it to your meals. Spinach is up next. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which help strengthen your immune system. Vitamin E plays a key role in supporting immune function by enhancing the activity of white blood cells, while antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Spinach is also rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, another essential nutrient for a strong immune defense. To get the most benefits, eat spinach raw or lightly cooked. Blend it into smoothies, toss it into fresh salads, or saute it with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Now let's talk about yogurt. This creamy and delicious food is packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. Since a large portion of your immune system is housed in your gut, keeping your digestive system balanced is key to overall immunity. Probiotics help support the growth of good bacteria while keeping harmful pathogens in check, making your body more resilient against infections. To incorporate more yogurt into your diet, try adding it to your morning oats, blending it into smoothies, or enjoying a bowl of Greek yogurt with honey and berries for a tasty and nutritious snack. Next, almonds are an excellent choice. These crunchy nuts are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps support a strong immune system by protecting cells from damage. Unlike vitamin C, which is water-soluble, vitamin E is fat-soluble, meaning it needs healthy fats to be absorbed properly, and almonds naturally provide both. In addition to boosting immunity, vitamin E also promotes skin health, which plays a crucial role in acting as a barrier against harmful germs. Adding almonds to your diet is easy. Snack on a handful of raw or roasted almonds, sprinkle sliced almonds over salads, or blend almond butter into smoothies for a delicious and nutritious boost. Broccoli is another powerhouse food for immunity. This nutrient-dense vegetable is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in keeping your immune system strong. Vitamin C helps stimulate white blood cell production, vitamin A supports the health of your skin and mucous membranes, and fiber promotes a healthy gut, which is essential for overall immunity. Broccoli is also rich in sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and inflammation. To get the most out of its nutrients, try steaming broccoli lightly, roasting it with olive oil and garlic, or adding it to soups and stir-fries for a delicious and immune-boosting meal. Turmeric, the golden spice, is next on our list. This vibrant yellow spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine thanks to its powerful active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help strengthen the immune system by reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms. Studies suggest that curcumin can also enhance the activity of immune cells, making your body more resilient to infections. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, add it to smoothies, curries, soups, or even mix it into warm milk with a dash of black pepper for a soothing golden latte. The black pepper helps boost curcumin absorption for maximum benefits. Ginger is another immune-boosting hero. This powerful root has been used for centuries in natural medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that helps reduce inflammation, supports digestion, and enhances immune function. It can also help combat infections and soothe sore throats, making it an excellent addition to your diet, especially during cold and flu season. To enjoy its benefits, add fresh ginger to teas, smoothies, or stir-fries. You can also grate it into soups or mix it with honey and lemon for a natural immune-boosting tonic. Last but not least, green tea is a great option for immune health. This soothing beverage is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to enhance immune function and help the body fight off viruses and bacteria. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties support overall wellness and resilience against infections. To reap the benefits, enjoy a warm cup of green tea in the morning for a gentle energy boost or as a relaxing afternoon pick-me-up. For an extra immune boost, try adding lemon, honey, or fresh ginger to your tea. So, there you have it. These 10 immune-boosting foods packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties can help keep you healthy and strong all year long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. And let me know in the comments, which of these foods do you eat most often? Or do you have a favorite immune-boosting food that I didn't mention? Thanks for watching and stay healthy.